Today, we're going to talk about 5 ways certified legal nurse consultants can turn opposing attorneys into clients. Number 1, see that attorney as the opportunity. So often, what I'll see is a CLNC will make an enemy out of the opposing attorney, whether you're consulting behind the scenes or you're testifying. That's a mistake. You have to remember all along the way that even though right now this opposing attorney is on the other side, you have potential opportunity here. This attorney is actually getting to see you in action, even if you're working behind the scenes, because they're seeing how well your attorney client is prepared. Number 2, never in any part of the process take anything personally. For example, if you're sitting in a deposition as a consulting expert and the attorney is looking at you odd, or if you're testifying and the attorney is grilling you to death and you are ready to cry, take none of it personally. That attorney is only doing what they believe at that moment is their job, to advocate for their client. Number 3, conduct yourself professionally at all times. For example, if you see the attorney during a break, you should be very professional, very polite. Again, don't act like that attorney has some kind of infectious disease. If you're testifying, same thing. You always want to be very professional. When the camera turns off and everybody's on break, you'll see attorneys, even among themselves, can be very friendly. There's nothing wrong with that. Number 4, contact the attorney when the time is right, which is usually going to be when the case has resolved. For example, it's settled or there's a trial verdict. You want to do it when you're still in the attorney's mind. Attorneys move on to their busy lives, their busy cases, and so you want to do it while you're fresh in their head. And when you do it in a very professional manner. You can very politely remind them that you were involved in the case. If you're on the winning side, you don't need to gloat about it. But again, don't worry. If you've done a great performance, the attorney is going to remember you anyway. And number 5, this is critical. Knock your performance out of the park. So that attorney is sitting there sweating it and thinking, why did I not hire this certified legal nurse consultant myself? The more you knock it out of the park, the more they're going to be thinking about other cases they can involve you with. So there you have it, a future opportunity anytime you're in front of an opposing attorney.